Good morning, everyone. My name is Bando Junior T. De La Pisa, and I'm from BS Mari 3 Alpha. So, the question: both tangible and immaterial component make up man. Describe and illustrate how this works, particularly in decision making. So, man is composed of both tangible and immaterial components. These two, I mean, tangible and intangible, will work together in every decision making. So the tangible body, including the brain, the the senses, will gathers data or informations from the environment that will produce physical actions or physical reactions such as hunger, pain, or even fear. So the immaterial part here is often understand as the mind or will soul and mind will interpret the signals using using reactions, conscience, emotions, and free will. So when a or a man faces choice or decisions, the body will provide the sensory data or provides action, while the mind evaluates the situations based on values, beliefs, and moral aspects or moral judgments. So naturally, some believers that believes that the physical body co- connects or connects human beings to the world, and the spirit here is part of the soul itself. So that connects human beings together with God. So that's dichotomy. So together they form a unified process or unified. So the body will perceives, the mind will reflects, the will decides, and the body will carry out the actions. So this interaction shows that human decisions are not merely physical reactions, or not only for physical reactions, but also in thoughtful responses that is shaped by both material and immaterial aspects of human being or human nature. Thank you.